Okay, give me what to do on the board. Problem what? 10. Problem 10. We're going to solve for x. We've got 11x squared equals 26x minus x to the third. Pay attention to this one, Richard. This is one that on your homework you had trouble with.
Alright.
Okay? This is solve for x. The fact that x is cubed is the highest one lets me know that there should be 3 answers. Okay? Should be 3 possible values of x. If you want to imagine this as some sort of something on a graph, it means that 1, 2, 3. It actually crosses the axis 3 times. This is actually down. That's normally what a cubic looks like on the graph. So normally there are 3 places where it crosses the axis. It could be that some of those answers are unreal. You know, if it's like this, it could be that I got 2 answers that aren't real, but it should have 3 answers. To solve this one, we use factoring. First of all, let's get all the x's on one side. Okay? X cubed plus 11x squared plus minus 26x equals 0. Okay? That's a good start for the test. There's an x in every term, so we can factor the x out. X times x squared plus 11x minus 26 equals 0. Okay, now we need to factor this middle part so we can figure out what 0 equals 0. We already know we got this x out here. X is equal to 0. This whole thing is 0. So that's one answer. X equals 0. Now we got to try and find the other answers. Okay, we have 26. We need to factor the number 26. Well, 26 and 1, not a difference of 11. 13 and 2, a difference of 11. Okay, we're done right there. All we have to do is a couple. We have x times x plus something times x minus something equals 0. Looks like I'm going to have to say it's plus 13 and minus 2. 13 times minus 2 gives us to minus 26. 13 times x minus 2 times x gives us minus 11x. And our 2x's give us the x squared. Okay, now we go into the 0 equals 0. So if this is 0, we already know that. If that is 0, then the whole thing is 0. That's one answer. If this is 0, this whole term here, then this whole term is 0. And then it doesn't matter what these two are. We have 0. If this one's 0, then we have 0. So you say x plus 13 equals 0. So x equals minus 13. And x minus 2 equals 0. X equals 2. So we have x equals 0, 2 minus 13 for number 10.